everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another very exciting video. It's because Valentine's Day is nearly approaching and I have a request for everyone. That is none other than Europecrate. Europecrate is actually designed and made in Germany. They give actually, and they have this delicious snacks from different countries, and that's what I really wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for sending me a snack box. Oh my god, thank you so much, Europecrate, for sending me my snack box. So I'm excited to show you what's inside this box. Oh my god, your adventure starts here. I love the packaging with a welcome note. Welcome to Europe. Wow. Oh my god. There's a chips. You know, I'm really fond of junk food. So we have Ruffles in here. And another, oh wow, what is this? This is a Mega Torcidas. Wow, I will discuss each items, each snacks, and I will taste them because I'm really so excited to try. Oh, Lay's Bugles. Nacho cheese, my favorite flavor sa mga chips, you know. And I have here a Corny Big. Ooh, it's a choco banana. I love it. And chocolate, more of chocolate. Happy Valentine's Day, Europecrate. Thank you so much for sending these gifts. Oh my gosh, this is 100% Alpine milk chocolate. Oh wow, thank you. And when I was young, I used to eat this kind of Chupa Chups lollipop. It's a popping candy on my tongue. I love this. And I miss this. This is actually a cola flavor. So I might try it later. And, of course, another chocolate, but this time is the Smarties. So a colorful chocolate here. Love to share. And, cookies and cream. Oh, thank you. Milky Bar from Nestle. Wow. So all of this, it came from different countries. I will discuss it later. Kinder Country. Oh, thank you. Love it. There you go. And last but not least is the Nivel. Ooh. I think it's a chocolate. It's a wafer. Yeah. Wafer bar. I love it. Thank you so much. I'm so happy and speechless. Look at that. Yes. Don't forget to join our community on their Facebook page. They also have Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Wow, very complete. Alright, so let's have a food tasting. Let's try everything. Greetings, fellow sweet tooth. Did you know that Europeans eat about 50%, wow, of all the world's chocolate? Wow, you read that right. So if you love chocolate as much as the Europeans do, then consider yourself lucky because you're about to embark on a delicious journey around the continent that's a little obsessed with chocolate, Europe. This month, we're giving a shout out to the country that invented the necktie, Croatia. With stunning coastlines, amazing supercars, and talented football players, there's a lot to discover in Croatia. So buckle up and enjoy the short trip to the wide world with tasty European treats. Oh, so at least you know kung saan nanggagaling yung mga foods. So, the Europecrate team. Oh, I love it. So, here is the Croatia and the flag. Wow. And wow, fun facts about it. It was also here. I love it. There. Let's explore Europe. Wow, Netherlands, Croatia, Austria. Wow. So all of them have description, the places. Oh, I actually miss traveling. You know, I used to travel before. What's inside the box? Here we go. Let's talk about the snacks now. Alright, for the first is the Ruffles. So I have here Ruffles, chips, and it was coated with ham, as you can see. A picture of a ham. And this is actually from Spain. Wow. National favorite potato chips from Spain. Wavy potato chips featuring savory flavors of traditionally cured ham. So I'll open it and let's try. But first, you have to check the expiration. February 27, 2022. So it's okay. I'm gonna try. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm gonna open it like this. It's my first time eating a snacks on my video. It's a milky, chocolatey flavor. I love the taste. It's like you wanted to have another bite and wanted to try another chocolate. It was creamy and very tasty. I love it. Milky Bar Cookies&Cream. So, this chocolate is from UK. Wow! It's a new cookies and cream chocolate from UK. Smooth white chocolate with crunchy cookie pieces and creamy milk filling. Alright, I love milk chocolates. So, love it. Share! Love to share. Let's open it. And, oh wow. Ooh. Let's have a taste. Look at chocolatey. Look at that. It's really with white filling, which is the milky and chocolate inside. I love it. It was a cookie coated with milk chocolate and white chocolate as well. Milka, 100% Alpine. Yeah, look at that. There's a biscuit on it for this Milka. There. Pure milk. I love it. Really a pure milk. This Milka have a biscuit and chocolate in one. Yummy. It's 100% Alpine milk chocolate with LU biscuits from Germany. Oh, last but not the least is the Chupa Chups lollipop, and this is from Spain. Yeah, crazy food shaped lollipop from Spain, cola flavored lollipop, shaped like a food that can be dipped in a pouch of pop rocks. Love it. So let's open it. I'm going to open. Let's see. Oh my god. So this is the fruit shape lollipop, and as you can see, there. All you have to do is to dip, then put it on your tongue, and then it will pop just like that. Oh my gosh. I love it. Let's have it pop it up. There you go. You can see that? Thank you. Bye. I love all the snacks. It was so delicious, sweet tooth ever. So thank you so much and happy weekend everyone. Thank you so much Europecrate for trusting me and for sending me those snacks. If you really want to order, subscribe on their website and have a 5% off. Plus, use the code LOVETREATS. Or, it is much better to contact them via their Facebook, Instagram, TikTok account. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next vlog.